Thermostat display dim or flickering? That's a total pain, but you can fix it without calling a pro right away. First off, start by swapping out the batteries if your thermostat uses them. Dead or weak batteries are a super common reason for a dim or flickering screen. If new batteries don't do the trick, check if the thermostat is properly connected to the power supply. Sometimes the wires get loose or the circuit breaker trips, so give that a quick look. Another thing to try is resetting the thermostat by turning it off and on again or following the manufacturer's reset instructions. If your thermostat is hardwired, make sure the transformer is working and providing enough voltage. Cleaning the display with a soft cloth can help if dirt or dust is messing with the screen visibility. Also, avoid placing the thermostat near direct sunlight or heat sources because that can cause display issues. Lastly, if your unit is old, it might just be time to upgrade to a newer, smarter model that won't have these annoying problems. One of the biggest mistakes people make with thermostat display problems is ignoring dead batteries, which leads to confusing flickering or dim screens. Just replace the batteries to fix this fast. Another issue is not checking the power supply or wiring. So if your thermostat's hardwired, make sure all connections are solid and the circuit breaker isn't tripped. The third common problem is trying to use a failing or outdated thermostat. Sometimes no fix will work, except swapping it for a new, reliable one designed for today's smart home needs. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and can help you with any home project hassle-free. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a cool way to find new clients and grow your business without all the extra stress.